routine maintenance is never really routine. When a power plant, a refinery, or any other facility is going through scheduled maintenance, whether or not it's a shutdown, turnaround, or outage, oftentimes they will need some lift planning assistance. A second pair of eyes or an independent contractor to come in and look at their work crane related to help them assess whether or not the lifts are as planned, to help with the detailed planning. Oftentimes there's changes or unforeseen circumstances that having a subject matter expert, a lift director come in and assist in observing the lifts, helping create the lift plans, running the maps, and determining the best way of doing this for these routine outage type lifts. The other thing about this type of an assessment or assistance is there's often training that goes on. It's just not us coming in and saying you're doing it right or wrong. It's providing moment by moment guidance to the operating crews, whether it's the crane operator, signal person, the engineer, project manager, who is coordinating and making the lift. We become a extra set of eyes and extra set of expertise focus only on the lifting activities. With turnarounds and outages, there's always much more than just the lifting. So having somebody focus on just the lifting could help diminish this high hazard activity within these facilities.